Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send any of your designs created in Canva directly to WhatsApp. You can send your designs directly to WhatsApp messages. This will save you time as you won't have to download your design from Canva and then upload it to WhatsApp. To save time, you can just send your designs directly to any WhatsApp group or personal message. To do this, go to the Share option. Then select See All and Social. Here, under Messaging, you will find the WhatsApp option. Simply click WhatsApp. If you want, you can also send it in Messenger, but today we will focus on sending it to WhatsApp. Now, it generates a code, and you just need to scan this QR code from your phone. This will allow you to send your designs directly from Canva to your WhatsApp messages. If you scan this QR code once, you can continue sending messages smoothly without having to scan another QR code again. You just need to connect your WhatsApp. Your Canva should be linked with your WhatsApp, and after that one-time QR code scan, you won't need to scan any more QR codes. That was a simple process. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.